everyone, I'm Zeth and I am the owner of Monsai.
Hi, my name is Bonsai. I am a 3-month-old mixed pit bull and American bully. My mother is a pit bull and my father is an American bully. My mamas and papas take good care of me. Yes, I do have 3 mamas and 2 papas. Papa Silver, Mama Joanne, Mama Zeth, Mama Francine, and Papa Noel. They love me and I love them too. My mamas and papas alternately take care of me, and today my Mama Zeth will be the one to take care of me. Mama Zeth makes sure that I take my vitamins to help my growth, regulate my energy, my metabolism, and more. She feeds me 3 times daily, my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yum! And most importantly, I drink lots of water to wash all that I've ate and also to stay hydrated. Mama Zeth bathed me today because I smell not good. Ew, gross. I actually hate taking bath, but to have a good smell and to be clean, I have to. I love to play around. Play with my toys. Running and running around. Sometimes I play with my visitors, which is our neighbor's cats. And gladly today, one of my friends visited me while I'm sleeping. I love sleeping beside the chair, and sometimes I sleep on the top of the chair because it gets me cozy. They train me to be a good and behaved doggy, and as I am only 3 months old, I am learning little by little. My mamas and papas take me to my veterinarian to take a shot every time on my schedule. I love how they take care of me, play with me, love me, and provide all my needs. And I can say that my mamas and papas are a responsible owner to me. To all fear parents out there, shower your fear babies with love and care just like how my mamas and papas shower me. Enjoy your day!